I'm going to bet any amount of money that you're currently stuck at work watching this, or you're likely thinking about your work, worrying about it and hoping for ways to escape it. Am I right? If I'm right, then I urge you don't skip this, but just give me a few moments of your precious time to let you into a little secret, something inspiring and motivating for you to think about. Now here's the secret. The secret is we're all being fooled because we all think we have to trade our time for money in order to get our income. Currently we live in an epic era of the internet, which has taken over our lives. Over 4 billion of us are connected to it. We use it to watch movies, to play games, to buy our shopping and to book our holidays. Just think, how many hours a day do you actually spend on your phone, browsing Facebook or Instagram, Pinterest? Let's face it, if we can spend all of our time and our actual money online, then why can't we earn our money online? Which brings me to my next question. Why do any of us work? It's likely we work to pay for the house that we live in, to drive the car we use to get to work, or to afford the holiday we take with our kids once a year. Now, it is a fact that we do need money to live, but what I want to ask is your job really allowing you to live the lifestyle that you actually want? For me and for my husband, our jobs certainly weren't. For over 10 years we worked hideously long hours. We would spend days away from the house, just so we could earn more money to pay for things that we didn't actually need. I remember the days I would come home and I couldn't even remember what my husband had said to me 5 minutes ago. I was physically and mentally exhausted, and all I wanted to do was escape. Soon enough, shortly afterwards, we found out that I was pregnant and expecting our first baby, but what should have been a moment of happiness for us turned into doubt on my part. All I could think about was, how can I actually bring him up? How can I spend time with him if I have to be going to work every single day to afford everything that we were doing? Something major had to change for us as a family. So I started to think, how can we change this? How can I get on top of this? How can I spend my precious time with my child rather than having to put him into nursery or leave him with our neighbours for the day? I kept hearing about these amazing opportunities of the online working. People living what I'd call the laptop life, but I really never knew how they were doing it or how they even got started. That was until just a few months ago. Thankfully, my husband and we were so lucky to have our eyes open to the prospects of online working. We were directed to a community of very amazing online entrepreneurs who were all learning step by step, bit by bit, how to build an online business from scratch in order to generate themselves some income. Now, I was shown a link to a free video workshop which explained this process. It was the process for getting set up online, and it was the starting blocks for ourselves to be entering into the digital economy. Now, of course, I was skeptical. I signed up and I genuinely didn't have a clue what I was doing or what I wanted my business to be, and I didn't actually really know if I wanted a business. But you know what? I allowed myself the time and I allowed myself to sign up for it because it was absolutely free. I had nothing to lose and I just wanted to learn a little bit more about it. And now I am so grateful. I'm so grateful that my husband and we signed up. We've created our online business. We've become self-certified entrepreneurs and learnt some amazing skills. And now we're fully enjoying the Wi-Fi life. We've escaped the 9-to-5 rat race. We now get to spend our time with our baby boy. The business allows us to work from home whenever we want to, or from wherever there's an internet connection. So if we want to go to the coffee shop and work, we can do that as well. And actually the business, it allows us to earn income even while we sleep. It's so amazing. The awesome thing is we can now share with you how we actually do this, how we manage to set up a business online and how we manage to earn money from the internet. Feel free to click somewhere on the link below to receive the exact same training that we received. Like I said, it's completely free. Just give yourself a chance to be inspired. Give yourself a chance to be motivated by this. You've got absolutely nothing to lose. I really appreciate you staying with me. Thanks for watching this. My name's Sophie, and I really hope to connect with you.